Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Nature based metaphor. Inferring from the lecture of David Allen, calm and rhythmic life of running water of mountainous stream is not disturbed by striking to boulders and pebbles. Its three front of inspiration are: one, shows swift response to changes. Number two, refocus rapidly after being disturbed by the external forces. Number three, show resilience after fears, difficulties, and suffering. To become great in this world, nature has taught us that how can we possess these three qualities of running water. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.